Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a loop on YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to use a loop, you will need to have just these three uh, conditions. First one, you will need to start with your last line or the finishing line. So for example, let's say this is how you eat a fish. So basically, the first thing that you will start saying is, and that's how you eat a fish. And the middle parts or the content of the video, you will be able to do in the middle parts where you are doing your trick or you are showing your video, etc. And the last line should be, I'm going to show you, for example, how to eat a fish, or this is how you eat a fish, or whatever. So basically, the first line should be in the last for your video, and the first line you start with it. I mean, the last line you start with it in the video. So basically, here you will need just to go to the start your video, and basically you will start talking about your you will start by saying your finishing line, and then you will finish by saying your starting line, and then you can start editing. So basically you will need just go here and start your uh, audio or starting your video, and basically you can after that editing your video by trimming the last part and making it to the last, and the first part making it to the first, so they can be reversed, but in the same time they will give the illusion of the loop, or they will give the appearance of having a loop. So simply just do like that. You will need just to record, as I said, by starting with your finishing line and finishing with your starting line, and then you can trim this both of these parts and reverse them, and you will have a loop. And of course, within practice, you will start uh, getting them better and better. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.